Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12, and today I will show you how you can insert SD card into this device. So to get started, you need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can find it, you can use a paper clip, straighten on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Well, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device if you're holding it in the landscape mode, or top if it's portrait. So anyway, you have it right over here. I'm going to push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for just a single SD card. Just place it on here, and then insert it back into your device. There we go. Once you do so, the card should start working right away. So let's see if we have any kind of notification about it. And we do. So you can see it did detect the card. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.